In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Temu gift card online. So the first thing that you want to do here is just go to temu.com and log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, you just want to search for the items that you want to buy and add those to your cart. So once you have your items on your cart, you want to add or use the gift card you have right now. So just go to your cart and just click on the checkout button here. So click on continue checkout, and from here just want to scroll down until you see the payment methods option. So just make sure you select the card and enter the appropriate details that you want to use for the gift card to be able to connect this on your Temu account. So just make sure that card number, expiration date, and the CVV, which is located at the back of the card, are all exactly the same as what is written on the card itself. So once you're done, you could actually just add coupons. If you also have coupons, you could just enter the coupon code here and click on apply, and you could just click on submit order, and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.